Okay, let's start this question. So I'm just going to do this again. Is decaying. So when it is decaying, so that means we have to consider the minus sign. The rate of change of the mass. The rate of the change of mass means that is dx by dt. And we have just seen that there should be the equal thing over here. Okay, so that is equal to minus 4 times its mass. Okay, and the next it says another substance y said that the rate of change of the mass y is equal to this. So this dy by dt is equal to x minus 2y. Initially the values of, so when your time is 0, your x is 20, your y is 0. Okay, it says find x as a function of t. So for that, let's start. We will take this equation. So I'm going to write it as dx over x is equal to minus 4 dt. So I integrate this, I have ln x equal to minus 4t plus c. So using these two values over here, 0 and 20, so we have ln 20 that is equal to c. So we have this ln x minus ln 20 that is equal to minus 4t. ln x over 20 is minus 4t. So this x over 20 is e raised to power minus 4t. So x is going to be 20 e raised to power minus 4t. Okay, next it says find y as a function of t. Now we have this dy by dt minus plus 2y that is equal to x. Okay, that is equal to x. Can I change this x with 20 e raised to power minus 4t? Yes, because we have got this x over here. So this becomes dy by dt plus 2y is equal to 20 e raised to power minus 4t. क्यों बच्चों? ऐसे ही होएगा ना? है ना? बोलो यार, क्या हो गया तुम
जी
लोग?
सर। जी सर।
आप घड़ी की तरफ नहीं तुम लोगों ने देखना. Okay, so let's find that I e raised to power integral of 2 dt. That is e raised to power 2t. So multiply all of them with e raised to power 2t. So this is, I'm just going to save some space here, 2t e raised to power 2t e raised to power 2t. So we can write this as d by dt of what, bacho?
E raised to power 2t multiplied by y.
Yes, yes, yes. This is 20 e raised to power minus 2t left here. Okay. I hope you have written it down. So I'm just going to make some space here. Okay. So I can use white on it. So this is going to be d by dt of e raised to power 2ty. That is equal to 20 e raised to power minus 2t dt. Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Use the brackets, okay? So this is going to be e raised to power 2ty. That is minus 10 and plus h लिख लेते हैं, okay? We put t as 0 and y as 0. Oh, t as 0 and y as 0. So when your t is 0, y is 0, therefore this h is going to be 0, है ना? So yes, yes, yes. Am I right, बच्चों? Yes? Yes, okay.
Yes
We
sir.
were given y as 0. So this y is going to be minus 10 e raised to power minus 40. Hmm? Yes.
जी सर.
Okay. Hmm. I made a big mistake. Age cannot be zero. When I put this will be zero, and oh, you look at this, what mistake I made. E raised per zero is e raised per zero is one. So this age will be 10. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so this is going to be plus 10 e raised to power. Yes, this should be the answer. Now, please check. I made a blunder here.
Yes
Yeah,
sir. It's
is this
correct.
the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
G.
Oh, now this confirms this. The B part's answer confirms that this was actually equal over here. Hannah, what do you think?
तो
Hannah?
यही हो सकता है.
So like this should be equal over here. Now it says determine the maximum value of y, giving your answer in exact form. So you have this y. Now let's quickly find. If I just see when t becomes no, he's not saying that we find y when t becomes very large. He's not saying that. It just says determine the maximum. So that is a question on differentiation basically. Okay. So let's use this area now. Can we quickly find dy by dx? Sorry, dy by dt, sorry, dy by dx. Okay, dy by dt is 10 over 4 is 2.5 e raised to power minus 40, and 10 over minus 2 is minus 5 e raised to power minus 2t. And we put that equal to 0. Please check, did I differentiate this correctly? Okay, just keep a check on this. So I think 2.5 e raised to power minus 2t can be taken as common. So we have e raised to power minus 2t and minus 2 from here. Okay, so that is equal to 0. So either your 2.5 e raised per minus 2t is 0, or e raised per minus 2t that is equal to 2. Hai na? Let's put this e raised per minus 2t in this equation here. So this is going to be y is equal to minus 10 into 2 square, yes, plus 10 into 2. No. Let's find this. E raised to power minus 2t. If you have e raised to power minus 2t and you have a square on it, this e raised to power minus 4t, है ना? लेकिन चलो, this is going to be minus 2t ln e is equal to ln 2. So minus 2t is equal to ln 2. T is equal to minus half ln 2. What do we get when we put that 2.5 e raised per minus 2t e raised per... When we multiply, the powers are added, Hannah. Did I do this step correctly? Or did I differentiate that correctly? Oh, my differentiation is wrong. You didn't check that. This had to be 40 and this had to be 20. Come on, yaar, तुम लोग बिल्कुल भी नहीं check कर रहे. This had to be 40. I integrated it rather
और मैंने भी
differently.
इंटीग्रेट कर दिया.
Chalo, this happens. Acha. You see this, these are the aftershocks or the aftermath of studying further maths for so long. Okay. Anyhow, so I believe you can do that. Let me clear on this area and do that right from the beginning. Acha. So this, I think I should do all the steps. Okay. This is minus 10 e raised per minus 4t times minus 4. plus 10 e raised to power minus 2t minus 2t. There is a saying that there is like only the expert drivers have the disastrous accidents. So we are supposed to be the expert drivers right now here, okay? This is minus 20 e raised to power minus, God forbid, we may all be safe all the time, inshallah. Acha, so I think now this is going to be, I can take 20 e raised to power minus 2t common, and this is going to be 2 e raised to power minus 2t, yes, and minus 1, yes. So I'm going to ignore this. So e raised to minus 2t is going to be equal to half. Let's put that into this equation to get the maximum value of this. So it's minus 10 into half squared and then plus 10 into half. This is minus 10 over 4 plus 5. Please check the answer. This is minus 2.5 plus 5. And then this should be 2.5. Otherwise, I don't know.
So yeah, answer
Oh,
yeah.
sugar. So that is the maximum. You see how important is this to show the steps. So if I can make mistakes, you can also make mistakes. So please show all these steps, all the workings, be patient, be cool, okay? Inshallah, everything will be fine.